Question number 2. What is the best estimate for the number of atoms in a piece of metal of volume of 50 centimeter cube? See, whenever there is a question on estimate, what you need to do is you need to assume something and proceed further. So, what is the assumption you are going to make? When you say metal for example could be iron. Okay, nothing else is given to you, so you need to assume. Now, when you say iron, then maybe the mass number of this is seen to be 56 over here. We know this. Okay, now volume is given. What is the density of iron? The density of iron, okay, what all properties we can assume? We'll just take that. Density of iron is nearly 8,000. This also we know. So what we do is we'll take out the mass of this one here. Mass will now be equal to density multiplied by volume, which would be 8,000 multiplied by 50 centimeter cube. 50 into 10 to the power of minus 6, which will be equal to how much? 8 5s are 40. 40 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 power 4 multiplied by 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 6, which will now be equal to 4 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 4, 5, 5 minus 6 is minus 1, which is around 0.4 kg. So a volume of 50 centimeter cube will weigh 0.4 kg. This is what we come to know. Now what's the next step? Now we need to find number of atoms. See, whenever there is a number of atoms, the easiest way to use with the mass over here. Now how to use with mass? See, what we know about this. See, whenever we take 56 grams of iron, then how many atoms will it consist? It consists of Na number of atoms, which we already know, and this will be equal to 1 mole. So now what is given here? 0.4 kg. 0.4 kg will be how many grams? This will be around 400 grams. 0.4 grams, 400 grams. So 400 grams will weigh how much? Okay, which will be 400 Na divided by 56. Okay, unitary method. So this will be the number of atoms present in the sample. So when we do this, sorry, not 56, 56 over here. So when we do this, let us take up a calculator and calculate this value here. So which should now be 400 divided by 56 multiplied by 6.03. 6.023. When I do this, I get 43.02. 43.02, and Na is 6.023 in 10 power 23. 10 power 23, I can just write like this. So which is now around 4.3 into 10 to the power of 24. Now find out which is the nearest one. This is definitely not the right answer. 25 is nearest. Anything else? 29 farther away, 31 is farther away. So if I am neglecting this, this also is definitely neglected. This is ignored. Both of them is incorrect. So B should be your right answer. Though he has got the magnitude to be 24, we have got this 25. Reason could be something like maybe he has not chosen iron, he has chosen something else. So as a result of it, magnitude by can increase by one value, right? So therefore, B is the right answer.